Welcome to this introduction to my work in Tempo Timesheets for Server. Tempo Timesheets is a highly advanced app for Jira that lets you track the time you spend on your issues in Jira with confidence. In this video, we're going to take a quick tour of my work to show you around. We'll follow along with John, who's a typical Jira user. He wants to both log and plan his time for the week using Tempo Timesheets. He's already logged in as a Jira user and now wants to open up Tempo. The easiest way for John to do this from Jira is to press the G and T keys. The Tempo app is integrated seamlessly into the Jira menu bar, so he can also select My Work from the Tempo menu. When he's in Tempo, John can always click the My Work icon on the sidebar to get back to it. The calendar view is shown by default when My Work opens up. Here is where John can both log and plan his time. It displays large cards for both planned time and work logs that show time spent on issues. The current date is shaded so it's easy to find quickly. The calendar actually has two different views, and the list view is displayed by default. John clicks the clock icon to switch to time view, where he can also log time. This view shows the cards in an agenda format with time slots, which helps him see any gaps or overlaps in his time. This can be really useful for time-sensitive tasks. John switches to the timesheet by clicking its button up at the right and sees his log time displayed as a table with Jira issues and days. The timesheet is useful for seeing exactly how much time he has spent on each issue. He can also filter the data here to organize and view the data he wants. Tempo uses the Jira hierarchy with issues under projects so that his timesheet is easy to read. Although he can log time in either the timesheet or the calendar, John will click the calendar button to return to it. John can check the time period here in the middle, which is the current week by default. He clicks the arrow to go back or forward, but comes back to the current week by clicking Today on the left. When he moves to any of the days in his work week, the Log Time and Plan Time buttons show up. We'll cover how to use these buttons to log time and plan time in the other lessons in this course. Finally, John takes a look at the View menu where he can sort his work logs and plans into their groups, or he can sort them by their start time. That's the end of our quick tour through my work in Tempo Timesheets. You saw the calendar and timesheet in my work and learned that you can log time in both, and saw that the calendar has two views, the list view and the time view. You also learned that you can log time in both of these. You saw how to get to the correct time period you want for logging or planning your time, and where you can both log and plan your time in the list view in the calendar. Finally, you saw the options in the View menu that let you sort your work logs and plan as you like. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure to see the other Tempo videos in this course.